Well, the morning ride is a very nice ride. And you, miss? Morning ride are the longest ride. Yeah, you know. Me say, give me the morning ride. Give me the morning ride. And if you slip and you slide, you're going broke your backside. Give me the morning ride. I say, give me the morning ride. Come on, no matter where you run, no matter where you hide. Some girl don't have no shame and pride. Say, give me the morning ride. Sister, give me the morning ride. Me I go tell you about Faye Ellington. She work in a JBC station. She born Gemini month in a Portland. Chomana say me take a 33 go a JBC. I didn't side Faye but I side her man. He never come back till 1:45. I didn't take a bus so I take a minivan. Say on that van above Faye Ellington. This is what she say to Yellow Man. Say to give me the morning ride. I say give me the morning ride. She say no matter where you run, no matter where you hide, you slip and you slide, you going broke your backside. Say give me the morning ride. I say you coulda never hide from Jah. Choma, you coulda never hide from Jah. He's only Jah. He's my meditator. He's only Jah. Give I strength and power. He's only Jah. Earth rightful ruler. He's only Jah. Give I strength and power.